So when you cut off your arms, because you're going to be a bird, nobody's going to be your friend anymore. So you won't remember how to act in social, in public, because nobody just reminds you. So you walk around like this, and you don't have arms, and then people throw food to you. And so you get on your knees, and you're at Walmart, and you kind of just, you go, oh. You go, no, you really want salsa. Oh, my bad. But you can't see if you got any. Did she get any?
Yeah.
You have to go, God, let's see if
No.
I'm a guinea pig to a bird in 10 minutes.
No, you're really thirsty.
Oh, God.
You're thirsty.
Your birthday.
You're thirsty. So.
You're gonna make a mess.
Really good. Are you done with your meal?
I can't wear this shirt to school tomorrow.
Yeah, what you doing? I thought you were gonna wear your sweater.
Now you're fed.
You haven't eaten half a chip.
There's another chip.
Go.
My phone.
I'm crying.
Me too.
And then you cry a little bit more. And then you can't reach the salsa. So you...
This is a tribute to you, Megan Liverett.
This is what you're really gonna have to master because it's harder than it looks.
You did good that day.
Good eating. And that's what your life is gonna be like when you get your entire body tattooed with feathers. You have your lips surgically turned into beaks. You sever your arms so that it looks like you have wings.
And talons.
And you grow out your toenails so it looks like you have talons. Good luck with your life.